Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sachin here from PhysioShine Rehab Center, Hyderabad, LB Nagar. Today I just wanted to explain you a small topic regarding the spinal issues. Generally, if go through in detail about the spinal issues, definitely we're gonna find a lot of disc problems happening in all over the people. 80 to 85% of the population in all over the world are some of their lifetime they are facing disc issues and spinal errors. Just it's happening more prominent because the lifestyles have been completely altered after this 2010. The most of the people are very good sophisticated life. Yeah, it's good, the comfort is important, but ergonomics also should be maintained. If you completely lose the ergonomics, there is no point to be get relaxed with a nice soft cushion. Most of the people who work a longer hours and while sitting, they'll have a lot of risk problems in future irrelative to the age factors. They, even if I sit for more than 10 to 12 hours in a day, single day, even have a back pain and disc bulges in future. So I have to maintain, not only me, even everyone should maintain the ergonomics very well, because generally when we check it out a spine, we just sit on this part with the bumps. Okay, we just sit like this, and there's compressions happening in the lumbar spine. Yes, our spine is very flexible, but even it has some end point. So we have to completely make the spine very comfortable position, at the same time also in the ergonomical position. If you try to make the spine stress, then definitely one or the other day there might be a tear happening into the ligaments, and also foramen, what do you call, thecal sac, what do you call that, gelatinous substance in and around the disc will be torn. So because of the torn, the compressions happen, the disc, intervertebral disc will be protruding outside and causes the disc bulges. And not only the disc bulges, that will try to touch the nerve, and that will cause you a lot of irritation to all over the leg or any whichever the part the nerve will be supplied. So I mean to say, we are here to treat this sort of problems, and we are here to correct ergonomics of a body, and we will maintain the biomechanics of a body. Some people will have a wrong pattern of walking, so we will correct the patterns, and some people will have a lot of abnormalities in the spinal structures, then we will correct that. So just I can say you one thing, we are here to solve this type of conditions. So please don't hesitate to consult us. You just need to take an appointment. You can have a contact details in the description right now, and also in the comment section. If you want any queries, if you have any queries, you can comment in the comment box, and we will definitely reply from our team. So I wish you will be better after taking our treatment, and I wish you to be active all the time and maintain some ergonomics. And if you do have any problems like this in future, please do consult, don't hesitate to consult us. And firstly, we will release left hand side, okay? Take a deep breath. Got it? Don't do anything. Right. I just want to release till only the thoracic or to the down. Down. Right. Take a deep breath. Relax. Yeah. Good. We'll release more down segment. Come to the side. Okay? Yeah. Relax.
Hi, my name is Prashant. I work for IT industry, and now regarding the chiropractic, means I heard about it from my friends and colleagues, and also I googled it out, and that's when I found Sachin, Dr. Sachin. I contacted him over the phone, and he asked me to come over to his clinic. And when I came over to his clinic, he explained me about what are the problem areas in my spine, and that's when he informed me about what are the rectifications needed to be done and how many sessions are required. and I have been suffering with this pain for a very long now. And it's been nearly 2-3 years since I've been suffering with it. And when I met Sachin, Dr. Sachin, he has given me what are his successful areas, and also he has also told me about the patients who came here and who are really happy about his service he has provided to them. And it so happened that on the very first day he seen my spine, he examined it, and he had told me what are the correction areas on it. And that's when he also told me how many sessions are required for it. But he suggested me only for 4 sessions. And on very first day after completing of the first session, I came to know that my spine has realized too much of stress, and also I felt really happy on it. And within 4 sessions, I felt I'm really doing good, and I'm really happy. I'm getting nice sleep now, and I should be very thankful for Sachin for that services. And I'm also I spoke to him. I told him that I want to do this kind of about my back, to release my stress from my back. So he suggested me to come month on month now. So I'll be coming every month, once in a month, so that I can because we work in IT industry. It so happens that we sit very wrong postures, and also if not intentionally you do it, but unintentionally. So that being said, yes, I will be coming month on month for this kind of to do my spine correctly. Thanks.